Hello friends, welcome back to Agri Exam. In this video, we will see 30 one-liner questions regarding to agronomy, and this is the part 4th video regarding agronomy. So we will start with our first question. Crop is suitable for having pH 4 to 6, and the answer is rice, tea and potato. These are the crops which can be cultivated when the soil's pH is 4 to 6. Now question number second, cropping system now popular in irrigated North Indian state is, and the answer is rice and wheat. This is the cropping system which is nowadays popular in irrigated North Indian states. Question number third, Gall milch resistance rice variety, and the answer is Shakti and Vikram. So see, this rice gall milch is causes the silver shoot and onion leaves like symptoms because of the appearance of rice tillers as a leaf of onion due to tubular galls which is formed on leaves. So this is the symptoms which is caused by this rice gall milch, and the resistance variety it is Shakti and Vikram. Question number 4, C4, that is hatch and slack pathway, it is found in plants. The answer is sorghum, maize and sugarcane. So these are the plants which shows C4 pathway. The question number 5th, lysine content is highest in, the lysine content it is highest in soybean crop. Question number 6, aminophilic plants, and the answer is sugarcane and rice. These crops they are the example of aminophilic plants. Question number 7, crop responding notable to silicon, and the answer is sugarcane and rice. These are the two crops which respond to silicon application. Question number 8, first variety of rice introduced in India is, and the answer is TN1. TN1 it was developed after Second World War in Taiwan, and this TN1 variety it was bought by Dr. T.T. Chung from Taiwan to International Rice Research Institute. And this TN1 it is the cross between DGO gene into Tasai Young Chung. Now we will see question number 9. Rice crop should be transplanted at the depth of, and the answer is 4 cm. We should transplant the rice seedling at the depth of 4 cm. The reason is the tiller birds they should not get suppressed. If we are going to sow the rice seedling at a larger depth, at that case the tiller birds they may get suppressed. So we should transplant the rice crop at a depth of 2 to 4 cm. 10th question, the scientific name of arhar is, and the answer is Cajanus cajan. So this scientific name of arhar it is nothing but pigeon pea, tur or red gram. The botanical name of arhar it is Cajanus cajan. Chromosome number it is 2n is equal to 22. The origin is Africa and belongs to the family of Leguminosae. And this pigeon pea which is Cajanus cajan, it is the second most important pulse crop after chickpea, and it is the most drought tolerant crop among pulses. So this was 10th question. Now we will see 11th question. Wilt of arhar easily controlled by, and the answer is crop rotation. With the help of crop rotation we can easily control the disease, that is wilt of arhar. Wilt of arhar it is a soil borne fungal disease, and it is the most destructive disease, and we can manage this wilt of arhar by mixed cropping and crop rotation. And for the management of wilt of arhar, no chemical control is found very effective, and the resistance variety of wilt it is Pusa 9 Mukta. Mukta and Pusa 9 Amar, these are the varieties which are wilt resistance. Question number 12, origin of tobacco, and the answer is Mexico. The The botanical name of tobacco, it is Nicotiana tabacum, belongs to Solanaceae family, and the chromosome number, it is 2n is equal to 48. And the cultivation of tobacco in India, it was introduced by Portuguese. Question number 13. Dolomite is rich in, and the answer is magnesium. Dolomite, it is the example of sedimentary rock, and dolomite, it is the source of magnesium plant nutrient. Question number 14. The core component of chlorophyll is, the answer is magnesium. Question number 15. Most frost affected crop, and the answer is gram. Gram, it is the most frost affected crop. Now we will see our 16th question. The most frost affected crop among all field crop. The answer is gram. So this gram, it is highly susceptible to frost at flowering stage, and this crop, that is gram, they prefers a fairly moist and warm climate during its period of its vegetative growth. This gram, it is the most frost affected crop. Question number 17. CSH1 was released as first dwarf sorghum hybrid in, and the answer is 1964. So CSH1, it is nothing but coordinated sorghum hybrid 1. So this coordinated sorghum hybrid 1, it was released as a first dwarf sorghum hybrid variety in the year 1964. Question number 18. Sorghum harvest stage, and the answer is 25% of moisture. Means when the sorghum plant has attained the maturity and now it's the time for harvest, so at that condition the sorghum crop, they should have at least 25% of moisture present with them. Question number 19. Test weight of sorghum is, and the answer is 25 to 30 gram. Test weight, it is nothing but the weight of 1000 seeds. So the weight of 1000 seeds in case of sorghum, it is 25 to 30 grams. Question number 20. The toxic alkaloid found in the leaves of sorghum crop is, the answer is HCN or durine. This is the alkaloid which is found in the leaves of sorghum crop. Question number 21st. Sorghum, pearl millet and barley, they are the drought tolerant crop. This sorghum, pearl millet and barley, they are the drought tolerant crop. Question number 22. The sensitive stage to moisture stress in sorghum is, the answer is grain filling and flowering. So this is the sensitive stress to moisture stress in case of sorghum. Question number 23rd. Which glucoside is present in sorghum, that is HCN. It is the alkaloid which is present in sorghum, that is HCN or durine. Question number 24. The plants that have the most issues with prussic acid poisoning are, in order of susceptibility we have to answer, and the answer is sorghum. The sorghum is the plant which have the most issues with prussic acid poisoning. Question number 25. Sorghum crop is considered as camel crop because of, the answer is resistance to drought. This is the reason why sorghum, it is considered as a camel crop. And the chromosome number of sorghum, it is 2n is equal to 20 and belongs to Gramineaceae family. Question number 26. In sorghum plant, durine is synthesized from, means from which plant part the durine is synthesized, and the answer is roots. Question number 27. Sucrose present in sugarcane is, the answer is 10 to 12% of sucrose, it is present in sugarcane. Question number 28. Duration of Atsali sugarcane is, the answer is 18 months. Question number 29. total water requirement of sugarcane crop, and the answer is 200 to 300 centimeter. It is the water requirement in case of sugarcane crop. Question number 30. At its proper maturity, the TSS of sugarcane juice in bricks should be. The answer is 20 to 24. Sugarcane, it is considered matured if the bricks value or refractometer reading is 20 to 24, and in case of bricks value, the juice should be taken from the middle portion of stalk. So friends, this was all about 30 one-liner questions regarding to agronomy. For more videos regarding to various subjects of agronomy, stay connected with Agri Exam YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.